In mathematical numeral systems, the radix or base is the number of unique digits, including 0, used to represent numbers in a positional numeral system. For example, for the decimal system the radix is 10, because it uses the 10 digits from 0 through 9. In any positional numeral system, the number x and its base y are conventionally written as, although for base 10 the subscript is usually assumed and not written, as it is the most common way to express value. For example, represents the number 100, whilst represents the number 4. Etymology: radix is a Latin word for root. Root can be considered a synonym for base in the arithmetical sense. In numeral systems, in the system with radix 13, for example, a string of digits such as 398 denotes the decimal number. More generally, in a system with radix b, a string of digits denotes the decimal number, where commonly used numeral systems include, for a complete list, see List of numeral systems. The octal, hexadecimal and base 64 systems are often used in computing because of their ease as shorthand for binary. For example, every hexadecimal digit has an equivalent 4-digit binary number. Radices are usually natural numbers. However, other positional systems are possible, for example golden ratio base, and negative base. Many devices are built to accept numbers in decimal representation and display results in decimal. Often such devices convert from decimal to some internal radix on input, do all internal operations in that radix, and then convert the results from the internal radix to decimal on output. Such devices could in principle use any radix internally. The people who design such computing devices sometimes wonder what would be the best radix to use internally, the question of radix economy. See also, base, non-standard positional numeral systems, external links. Base convert, a floating point base calculator, math world entry on base,